Hello everybody, how are you? I hope that you are all fit and fine. I am also fine. We are also fine. I have my friend with me. The name of my friend is Debrata Kumar Nanditev. It is my only friend and only son, Debrata Kumar Nandi. At present, I am standing by Pabna Shodru Upazila. It is a beautiful Upazila in Pabna district. You can see it is a college field. The name of my college field is Police Line School and College Field. It is a beautiful field because there are many people come here playing football in this field. Some boys and some students playing football and playing cricket in this field. I have my father with me. I ask you some question. My father, are you ready, my father? Okay, what's your name? What's your name? Very good. Baba, what's your village name? Akpunguli. Baba, moon mane ki? Acha acha. I ask you more question. Okay, Baba. Good mane ki? Good mane? Good mane ki? Good. Bhalo, right. Can mane? Se mane? Se mane? আচ্ছা ভেরি গুড কনফিডেন্স মানে কনফিডেন্স মানে বাবা ফাইন্ড মানে কি ফাইন্ড বাবা ফাইন্ড মানে কি বলো টেল মি ইউ হ্যাঁ ফাইন্ড মানে খোঁজা হ্যাঁ ওদিক খোঁজা রাইট ইউ মানে কি ইউ তুমি হ্যাঁ ডাব্লিউ ইউ মানে ডাব্লিউ আচ্ছা হি মানে কি বাবা হি স্কাই মানে আকাশ আকাশ ডু মানে কি বাবা ডু মুন পিছনে মুন রাইট বাবা পিছনে মুন ডু মানে কি বাবা ডু মানে কি করা হ্যাঁ ভেরি গুড বাবা টিকল মানে কি না নেক্সট Baba, one question. It is the last question, okay? Mutu chapiga. Tickle mane ki, Baba? Please tell me. Look at me. Look at tickle mane ki? Churi dewa. Right. Tickle mane? Bhale. Churi dewa. Okay, my father. Okay, I am trying to learn English. You know, English is an international language. If you speak English is very good, you can get good job. You can get special friend. English is an easy language if you try. When you regular practice, I hope that you will be able to speak English. You will be able to learn English. Just practice.